Imagine a world where humans didn't descend from apes, but from birds. How different would we be? Instead of walking on the ground, we might have lived in giant tree cities, our homes woven into the canopy. Stairs? Too slow. We'd glide or climb with ease. Forget texting. Our language might be musical. A morning greeting could sound like a songbird's tune, and arguments? Just really aggressive squawking. And fashion? Feathers would be everything. The brighter, the better. Forget diamonds, shiny pebbles would be priceless. Sports would be extreme. No soccer here, just high-flying obstacle courses. And dating? Mating dances would be next level. Would we be happier? Maybe. But one thing's for sure, commutes would be way more interesting. What other crazy evolutions can you imagine? Comment below.